Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ATM to withdraw Simplii Financial money. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go to their official website, simpli.com. And if I just scroll down under ATMs and click on which ATMs can I use to access money in my account. So according to them, you can access your money from any CIBC ATM in Canada without a fee, but you cannot use an ATM to withdraw money from a savings account. You must transfer your funds to another account first. Also, some machines cannot accept deposits. So you can withdraw money from any non-CIBC ATM displaying the interact or plus signs. Additional costs may apply, including any fees from the owner of the other machine. And for more information, you can review their costs for special requests and additional items in their products and services agreement. For more information, you can just contact their support or call them on this number right here. So you can just note this number down if you want to call them. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.